Have you ever seen 1,218 drones fly together in perfect synchronization, creating vivid 3D images on the sky?
Lights up the world.
Intel's Shooting Star drones did just that at the opening ceremony for the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang. Or did they? This Tuesday Newsday we take a closer look at the facts and at the technology behind Shooting Star. Each of the 1,218 drones weigh just around 700 grams, and they are equipped with LEDs that are specifically designed for this purpose. All of these drones are equipped with GPS, and they are controlled by a single computer that orchestrates the whole show, all the movements, all the LED brightness and colors. And by flying so many drones at the same time, Intel earned their spot in the Guinness World of Records. But wait a minute. Actually, they didn't fly at all at the opening ceremony. What we saw on TV was a pre-recorded show from December last year. The live performance, which actually would have been a part-down version with only 300 drones, was cancelled due to logistic reasons. But Intel has presumably planned a show that should be performed at the medal ceremonies later in the Olympics. But let's have a look at what Intel says about their technology.
This is the largest undertaking for the Drone Light Show team. 1 billion people watched the opening ceremony.
To be at the Olympics, it's just astounding.
We've mostly done shows of about 300, so to jump to 1,200 is a big deal operationally. What can we do? What's the most we can do? How far can we push this technology?
Our drones had never flown in such cold temperatures.
We had a team that went to the Alps to test in negative 10, 15 degrees C. Basically withstand those conditions to find out what's possible.
Winds are holding good at 1 meter per second.
What you see here is a super lightweight drone that's really the only drone of its kind to be built specifically for outdoor light shows. The Intel Shooting Star can be super bright or very dim with countless color combinations.
Red, green, blue, white.
We have GPS for finding its way path in the sky. We also have a barometer for pressure sensing.
1,000+ drones can be flown by one pilot. And the software behind all of this really makes the magic happen. It's the intersection between art and technology.
Look how far we've come from 100 drones to now we're here and we can say, of course we can fly 1,200 drones. It's a big leap for the team.
We flew at the opening ceremony. We flew at the Olympics. I can't believe that we've had such a great opportunity to showcase our technology here.
Intel has not gotten into details of what they mean exactly by logistical issues. At first it was believed that the opening show was cancelled due to the bad weather and that would make it too dangerous for the spectators, but the official statements later has taught us otherwise. At this point they could just as well have superimposed a 3D animation on the TV broadcast. It would have made no difference to the 28.3 million TV viewers and no difference at all to the 35,000 spectators at the live show. But what do you think? Has Intel really maxed out the possibilities for the Shooting Star drones, or will they keep adding more drones and eventually make a live performance somewhere? Or is the sky the limit? Until next time, stay frosty, people. See ya!
The moment the night sky lights up the world.